So I'm inside the factory now. I got these two nice young gentlemen helping me out, getting the molds open. You can see a mold there behind me. They're all painted green. Very Chinese type designs. I'm pretty concerned about these molds going to the USA to run because again, the American standards and the Chinese standards are completely different, and these are 100% Chinese molds. But I'll keep looking at them, keep going on with the inspection. Looking at these molds, and again, I'm just right now just talk about the standard stuff. Water lines will work in America. They're underwatered. They have these, a lot of them are 3-plate action, so they've got these cheap China pullers on. These things will break. There's a mold over there. It's got a couple of them broken on already. Floor venting, floor water, all the wrong thread sizes. Everything's metric and not to U.S. standards. No rudder shut-offs, things like that. So it'll be a challenge to run these molds in America, but we'll see what we can do with them before they get out of here.